Have you ever dreamed of creating your own sci-fi game? Imagine creating a massive futuristic city filled with towering skyscrapers, industrial structures, gigantic pipe systems, and atmospheric streets. With the Sci-Fi Dieselpunk City Modular Environment Kit, you can build and customize your own futuristic environments. Mix and match modular building parts to create different structures, layouts, and entire city blocks that fit the vision of your game. From detailed building components to industrial elements and environmental props, everything is designed to work together as one cohesive world. Built with optimization in mind, all of the building modular parts share a single trim sheet, helping you keep your environment more efficient while maintaining a consistent visual style. Whether you're building a futuristic city, an industrial district, or an entire dieselpunk world, the possibilities are yours to create. Stop imagining your sci-fi world. Start building it.